Good morning, class. This is for class 7th GK. Class 7th, I'm going to take your test now, and the test is of 20 marks. This is from previous chapter that I had taught you in earlier videos. So, first question is fill in the blanks, and this is of 20 marks. A part, dash can flap their wings 600 times a second. Second, B part, the fastest flying insect is dash. Then C part, dash is one of the largest bird of prey. D part, dash is a bird of prey that feeds on fish. That feeds on fish. Now E part, dash is the World Environment Day celebrated on. On which day the World Environment Day is celebrating, you have to write that date. Then dash gas is used for preparing soda water. Second question, answer the following. This is of 8 marks. A. Which international NGO is a leading ecological watchdog? Then B. Which tree can plan its own growth 2 years in advance based on the weather pattern? C. Which tree can attain the height of up to 40 to 50 meter and diameter of 1.8 meter? Then D. By which other name are flowering plants known? These questions you have to do by your own sincerely without seeing the book. In next video I will provide you the answer so that you can match and mark it by your own. Now till chapter 9 we had completed in last video. Hopefully you had completed your work till chapter 9. Now coming on to chapter 8, Earth's threat. Earth's threat means the threat that Earth is getting due to natural calamities like acid rain, like greenhouse effect and other all. So coming on to A part, answer the following question. Which gas can cause acid rain? So the answer is sulfur, SULPHUR, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. Then how is smog harmful to living being? Smog, SMOG, smog cause heart and lungs dysfunction, DYSFUNCTION, dysfunction in human. Next, name any two greenhouse gases. It is carbon dioxide and methane. Next, why is a certain amount of greenhouse gas necessary to support life on Earth? Because they act as protective blanket for Earth. Because they act as protective blanket for Earth. This is the answer. Now coming on to next page, B part. Here first answer is biogas. Biogas. Second, catalytic converter. CATALYTIC. Catalytic converter. CONVERTER. This is the answer. Then third, Antarctic. ANTARTIC. Antarctic. Then fourth, correct answer is C. Then fifth, correct answer is B. Coming on to next chapter, chapter 11, conserving wildlife. See, there are national park and wildlife sanctuaries in India. So here are the names of some of them. We have to match that park and sanctuaries with the name of the state. Means where this park and sanctuary is situated in which state. So first answer, Bindra National Park, where it is? It is in Karnataka. First one is Karnataka. Then next, second, then sixth answer is Rajasthan. Sixth, Rajasthan, F. Then seventh answer is Gujarat. Seventh answer is Gujarat. Then eighth answer is Tamil Nadu. Eighth answer is Tamil Nadu. Ninth answer is Jharkhand. Ninth answer is Jharkhand. Then 10th answer is West Bengal. 10th answer is West Bengal. Then 11th answer is Uttarakhand. 11th answer is Uttarakhand. Then 12th answer is Madhya Pradesh. 12th answer is Madhya Pradesh. Then 13th answer is Assam. 13th answer is Assam. Then 14th answer is also Assam. 14th answer is also Assam. Then 15th answer is Tamil Nadu. 15th answer is Tamil Nadu. Then 16th answer is Maharashtra. 16th answer is Maharashtra. Then 17th answer is Kerala. 17th answer is Kerala. Then 18th answer is Karnataka. 18th answer is Karnataka. Then 19th answer is Rajasthan. 19th answer is Rajasthan. Then 20th answer is Himachal Pradesh. 20th answer is Himachal Pradesh. Then next 21 answer is Rajasthan. 21 answer is Rajasthan. Then 22 answer is Madhya Pradesh. 22 answer is Madhya Pradesh. Then 23 answer is Odisha. 23 answer is Odisha. Then 24 answer is Haryana. 24 answer is Haryana. Then 25th answer is West Bengal. For 25th answer is West Bengal. Now your chapter number 11 is also over. Now coming on to next chapter. See here short forms are given. We have to write the full form of these given short forms or abbreviations. First one is BCE, before Common Era. Then IPL, Indian Premier League, Indian Premium League. Then EC, Election Commission. Then UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Then IQ, Intelligence Quotient. Then next is EG, Exempli, EXEMPLI, Exempli Gratia, GRATIA. Next is XL, Extra Large, EXTRA, Extra LARGE, Extra Large. Then SMS, Short Message Service, SERVICE, Short Message Service. Next is Amul, Anand Milk Union Limit. Anand Milk Union Limited. Then PS, Postscript, POST, Post, SCRIPT, Script, Postscript. Next PT, Physical Training, PHYSICAL, Physical, TRAINING, Physical Training. Then WTO, World Trade, TRADE, Trade Organization, ORGANISATION, World Trade Organization. Then CD, Compact Disc, COMPACT DISC, Compact Disc. Then CAD, Computer Aided Design, COMPUTER, Computer, AIDED, Aided, DESIGN, Computer Aided Design. Then last DVD, Digital Versatile Disc, DIGITAL, Digital, VERSATILE, Versatile, DISC, Disc, Digital Versatile Disc. This chapter is completed. Now coming on to next chapter, chapter 13. In this you have to tick the correct option. This can also come as question answer. Who directed the film Lagan produced by Amir Khan? The correct answer is Ashutosh, D part. Correct answer is D. Then second correct answer is D. Second D. Then third correct answer is A. Third A. Then fourth A. Fourth A. Then fifth correct answer is C. Fifth C. Then sixth C. Sixth correct answer is C. Then seventh correct answer is D. Seventh correct answer is D. Then eighth correct answer is D. Eighth correct answer is D. Then ninth correct answer is D. Ninth correct answer is D. Now your chapter number 13 is over. Remaining part I will do in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.